Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'll show you about an amazing game, Marvel's Avengers. AvengersMeta.io. This is an amazing game. Let me show you the white paper. So this is the Marvel's first large-scale GameFi, Better Together Heroes Forever. So welcome to Marvel's GameFi. With this continuous development of blockchain technology, the trend of NFTs as a whole, especially NFT game, has become the latest and hottest topic, attracting the attention of investors around the world. So this is the game. As you can see, you watch movies, Marvel's movies. There are many Marvel's movies. All movies are box office hit, and this is the game. You will play with live characters. Rise from the trend, Marvel game. The first 3D metaverse NFT game of the Marvel is ready to join the field, with the goal of creating a product with highest quality possible that is both satisfying play for fun aspect, and providing the opportunity to play to earn. Marvel GameFi is a sincerest commitment that our team hope to bring to gamers around the world. So the contents are introduction, what is Marvel GameFi, Marvel Hero NFT, Avengers Planet, Marvel's tokenomics team, milestones and investors. I will also add the white paper link in my video description. You can check this out from the link. Must check this out. So first of all, the introduction. So this is a play to earn game. Marvel GameFi is an epic third-person action adventure game that combines an original cinematic storyline and single-player multiplayer co-op gameplay. Assemble team of up to 4 players online, master extraordinary abilities, building a growth roster of heroes, and join forces with other players to defeat the planet from raging threats. So this is the introduction. You can read this article, this paragraph. Let me show the missions. So this is the missions. The missions are: why Marvel's GameFi? Before Marvel GameFi, in decentralized world, you could earn more money by playing with cats, footballs, players, cute carries. But now you have the chance to earn money by fighting characters who are the part of Marvel's massive metaverse world. Take large sums of money. If you want to command a whole squad of Avengers to fight and earn real money at the same time, then yes, welcome to our game, Marvel GameFi. If you want to control Marvel's Iron Man, Captain America to fight like their money literally, you will love the Marvel's GameFi. So what is Marvel GameFi? Marvel GameFi is the first 3D turn-based Marvel blockchain game, and with strategic RPG elements where you can earn tokens through skill gameplay and smart trading, and 100 plus heroes, 1000 plus weapons, infinite possibilities. So Marvel GameFi, your heroes are waiting for you. Ranking and companionship, Avengers Planet, trading market. So Marvel's Hero NFT, and Heroes NFTs are ERC 721 NFT collectibilities that represent heroes in Marvel GameFi games. So here you can see the durability, attack, defense, speed, energy, and agility. So this is the NFT attributes. You can see the Avengers Planet. In Avengers Planet, what if I tell you you can have your own unique one-of-kind plot, that Avengers Planet, build your own Avengers headquarters on it, create your own economy and make money by building purpose-built facilities for everyone to use. Kind of unbelievable, isn't it? It is actually real. Welcome to Avengers Planet. So Avengers Towns. Here are some of examples of Avengers Towers. So as you can see in the picture. So the rental services, after the headquarters is built, you can attract the rental service for all Marvel GameFi players. They can use all of your facility features and equipments and charge a commission for each use. So the trade, rent Avengers Planet, mine energy, build professional facilities, and facility rent for everyone in Marvel GameFi metaverse. As you can see, the application model. In application model, the main utility of Marvel tokens are the staking, NFT rental, blind box system, and DAO governance. So the tokenomics are, so Marvel tokenomics, as you can see, here is the diagram. The $ Marvel holders. So this is the token name Marvel, and the player Marvel GameFi and community safe. So this chain work like this. This is the ecosystem. So if you want to see the distribution, you can see the Marvel token. This is the code, and total supply is 650 million. Hard cap is 2.6 million. Speed 5%. Private sale 5%. Public sale 10%. Team 10%. Vault 15%. Marketing 5%. Gaming reward 20%. Airdrop 5%. And liquidity and listing is 25%. So this is the token distribution. If you have to look at the team members, so these are the teams. Arthur Robertson, this is the CEO, and the COO are Sebastian Howard. CFO is Ronan Joel, CTO. Maximus, head of blockchain. Walter, head of design. Johan, head of marketing. Anton, head of design. So if you see the milestone, so here are a few milestones. You can see the main 2022 alpha test, IDO, beta testing, guild metaverse, limited equipments, multiplayer battle, companion cup, and monthly activity training platform join. So these are the investors, backed by IST Labs, Basics Capital, Curas, Endita, Evers, and Ventures. So this is the Marvel white paper. So let's go to the website. So this is the website, avengersmatter.io. So I just joined with this invite code, and I will add my invite code in my description link. So please sign up through that link. So first of all, you must have a wallet. As you can see, I have MetaMask. So first of all, you have to click on sign up. I already signed up with MetaMask. After signing up, let me show you the website. So this is the Meta Avengers. So play an organic Avengers storyline. The reason resemble companion. So with continuous development of blockchain technology, the trend of NFTs as a whole, and especially of NFT game, has become the latest and hottest topic, attracting the attention of investors around the world. So these are the characters. As you can see, this is our character. Limited edition, early access, customer on sales, don't miss out. Limited amount of pre-sale NFT 5,000. So you have to buy NFT. So let me show you the characters. So this is the Iron Man. As you can see, all about the Iron Man visibility. Playboy billionaire Tony Stark is one of the founding Avengers, and thanks to the constantly evolving Iron Man armor. So you can buy NFT by clicking this button. Let me show you the other NFTs. So this is the Mr. Fantastic and Iron Man again, the Groot, Mr. Fantastic, Ronan, Star-Lord, Thor, Yondu, Beast, Deadpool, Hawkeye, and there are many characters. All the Avengers players are listed here. So this is the play to earn game. Key game features are battle, adventure, and breeding. With billionaire of possible genre combinations, each Avenger has its own unique advantages and disadvantages. And in the unique battle mode, lead your team through the adventures and win superior rewards. Expand your team for heroes by buying blind boxes, and sell your extra heroes through the marketplace. So this is the exciting feature. Ranking and companionship. Player can fight against other and claim the global ranking. So Avengers Planet, as I already mentioned, and trading market. Marvel GameFi has one of the largest library of NFT assets that players can exchange and build the most powerful Avengers team. And you can trade NFTs, and these are the news. The token distribution. So the main thing is that 10% private sale, 15% vault, 5% seed, 25% liquidity, and 10% public sale, 5% airdrop, 5% team, and gaming rewards are 20%. So this is the distribution. So if you see the partners, operative partners, CoinMarketCap, PancakeSwap, CoinGecko, Waterdrip, Pluto, Binance Smart Chain. So you can also download the application and get on the Play Store. So this, if you click on this, you will join the Marvel Avenger NFT and this is a Discord, Telegram link. So let me go top of the website. Let me show you the NFTs. So if you click on NFT, this is the lucky draw, contain cards of any level and any character. So this is the blind box. These are the blind boxes. As you can see, this is the golden blind box. Probability description. So UR probability 2%, SRR probability 8%, SR probability 15%, R probability 30%, and probability are 45%. So 3000 boxes are remaining, and the box price is 0.01 Ethereum. So the purchase quantity, you can change the purchase quantity here, and you can also click on buy. So let me click on show you the lucky draw number 2. So this is the diamond blind box. The 3% UR probability, SSR probability 10%, SR probability 18%, 34% R probability, and probability are 35%. And the price is 0.2 Ethereum, and the 1500 remaining. If I click on Starburst, so this is the Starburst lucky draw number 3. So 5%, 15%, 24%, 40%, 16%, and 500 remaining, and 0.05 Ethereum is the is asking price. So you just click on buy. If you click on buy, it says the sale starts on 18th of July. So I am just explaining that. So you must have to buy this box. After buying this box, you have to open this box, and your character will be yours. If I click on marketplace, you will see no product date. Please have a look forward. So the NFTs are listed on 18th of the date. You can filter out by clicking this, and you can buy the heroes. If I click on news, you will see the airdrops, news, and other major information shared on this menu. So these are the news. So let's go to white paper again. So I already mentioned about white paper. You can also download the white paper from my description link. So if I click on my wallet, let me show you my wallet. So this is my avatar and my username, and this is my invite code. This is my invite code. You can also generate your invite code and join your friends, send to your friends. If your friends join through your invitation code, you will get your invitation bonus. If I click on my NFTs, I didn't buy any NFT yet. When I buy NFT on 18th, all NFTs are in my NFT listed. If you click on invitation record, so I just sign up. All the invitation record are shown here. So this is my personal data. Go to home back. So this is the Marvel Avengers meta. Click on buy now. If you click on buy now, you will redirect it to this blind box. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed. So stay tuned to 18th July, and thanks for watching the video.